That sound. The pulling, the tugging, the uneven lines. How much have you spent on bad haircuts? Or struggled with a DIY disaster? The barber industry is built on a secret: the tools are harder to use than they let on. But in 2026, the game is over. We got our hands on the next generation of smart clippers, machines with AI guides, blades that never dull, and power that lasts for months. What we're about to show you isn't just a new gadget, it's the end of the bad haircut, forever. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 provides stainless steel precision with 21 tools and accessories in a premium storage case for a perfect beard, hair, and body trim. With precision trimming guard, select length settings and 0.2 mm steps from 1 to 3 mm for a precise trim to the exact length you want. Smart Beard Sense technology scans the beard density 125x per second and boosts power exactly when you need it to tackle also dense, bushy, or longer beards. The body shaver / manscaping attachment efficiently shaves body hair, even on sensitive areas, while protecting skin. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades remain sharp as day one for long-lasting performance, no oil required. USB-A charging cable included, wall power adapter not included. Includes 21 tools and accessories: steel trimmer, steel precision trimmer, precision shaver, nose and ear trimmer, extra wide hair trimmer, body shaver. Number 2. For easy touch UPS and basic cuts. The Wall Color Pro is the kind of device you break out for simple haircuts and the occasional touch-up. It isn't incredibly powerful, and the precision won't blow you away, but the color-coded guards the guesswork out of haircutting. For example, you're more likely to remember using the blue guard on the sides of your head and the green guard on top, than remembering to use guards 4 and 7. Our tester appreciated the Wall Color Pro's simplicity, noting that it's a great tool to have on hand when you can't get to the barber or want to save money cleaning up your neck, sideburns, and other hard-to-reach areas. And if you decide to make the leap to the buzz cut, it shouldn't have any problem tackling thin or short hair. To get all that from a clipper that costs less than $50 is rather impressive. Number 3. Andis 86000 reVITE Cordless. The Andis reVITE is a powerful, efficient clipper that looks and feels like the professional-grade models you see at the barber, but it's not so sophisticated that it overwhelms you. It strikes a balance between power, quality, and simplicity, which is why it earns the top spot in this guide. Though it has some heft, that weight feels justified, and it doesn't come at the cost of maneuverability either. I had no trouble tossing on different guards to fade the sides of my head, and it cut in every direction without issue. Speaking of guards, the kit comes with 12 of them, so you shouldn't have any issue finding the right length. I also like that the blade pops off, so it's easy to clean attachments and the clipper body when you're done. With a 2-hour runtime, it has plenty of juice to cut long hair like mine. And while it takes a couple of hours to recharge, a tiny indicator light helps you keep track of battery life. Number 4. FX Plus Professional Barber Cord / Cordless Hair Clippers. We've been fans of the original Bob Pro Gold FX Clipper for its powerful motor and sharp blades, but the newer features of the Gold FX Plus, with upgraded functionality and universal charging capabilities, make it a no-brainer to win this category. This precise clipper is a favorite among experts thanks to its smooth operation and quiet brushless motor. These hair clippers didn't break a sweat when I drove it through sections of long, thick hair, and the 8 guards made it easy to find the perfect length for fades. The battery lasted me over 2.5 hours on a single charge using the standard charger, and it took just as long to recharge. You can also use a USB-C charger thanks to a secondary port under the base. Number 5. Bevel Professional Hair Clippers. With its magnetic guard attachments, LED display, and 0.1 mm adjustment increments, the Bevel Pro sits at the intersection of grooming and tech. Earning a spot in our Best Beard Trimmers guide, it efficiently tackles facial hair and head hair, and its sheer weight makes you feel like you're holding a rugged, reliable tool. Although it takes a minute to make sense of the button layout, if you're like me and ignore the manual at all costs, you'll find it intuitive once you get it down, and the digital display keeps track of both the battery life and trimmer length. It's a clipper that looks like it was sent to us from the future, and it acts like one, too. And that's how you take control of your style and your wallet. From flawless fades to perfect trims, the winner isn't just a clipper, it's your new personal barber. To get the cleanest cuts of your life, every single product link, pre-order page, and exclusive discount is waiting for you in the description below. If this video just saved you years of haircut regret and hundreds of dollars, do me a solid, pound that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more tech that gives you an edge. Stay sharp!